You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 26/15. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 2x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 27/5 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -3. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 26/15.